Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make someone an editor on your channel. And for this we go to settings, go to permissions, and first of all make sure that you are the owner of the channel with your email address, so like here. Then what we need to do is we go to invite, then fill in the email address that you want to invite to your channel. Then we go to access and then we click on editor and then we do done. Now we do save. Now we do next because we need to verify that it's me that is doing this stuff. So right now we go to our email and there it is, invitation to access the channel Helpmeoutguides. Then right here, the invitation is always 30 days expire. And then, editors can view everything, go live and create and edit content. So this is exactly what we want. Then we click on accept the invitation. And then right now, when he is loading this page, you will see this. And if I click now on switch channels, he will show me the editor rule from my own YouTube account. So this is exactly how you can do this. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.